sweeties, it's TeeElle and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Gotta rub around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left the center and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man and don't you hear it, major song, and I like that.
Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. Today we're making an Easter bouquet. So I'm going to go over what I got here. First, what I need you to do in the comment section is say, hey T, subscribe, click that bell, thumbs up, share. Let's go. I have a pail, floral foam, Easter pops. I have these little egg picks, and I have some faux flowers, okay? Hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, of course. You may need scissors, may not, but let's go ahead and get started. So what I'm going to do first is glue my green floral foam in the bottom of my pail. I hope you all have been great. I've been good myself, getting some things together. I finally created a little content room in my house, so I don't have to move a million and one things around just to do a video. So that's exciting. It'll just be easier to create the content and get it out for you guys. So that's what I've been up to. What else? Just been chillaxing. Ooh. The kids and I had a small little cold recently, so thank God we're feeling better. And as y'all can see, I got me a new hot glue gun. I got this from Amazon. They had it in Michael's Arts and Crafts store for like $25. I'm like, So I went on Amazon, standing in the store, I looked at the same exact one, and I'm like, okay, this is $12.50 on Amazon, I'll take it. And then I paid $8 for a pack of the long, full-size hot glue sticks. So we are in action, and it's cordless. I love it. I'll post a link in the description box down below in case you're interested in this hot glue gun. But I'm just going ahead around in a circle and gluing the hot glue on this floral foam, and then we're going to stick it in the bottom of our pail. This Easter bouquet is good for your home. You know, grab a little lollipop on the way out the door. The kids grab a lollipop on the way out the door. Teacher's desk, daycare, a salon of some sort. Wherever you want to put this Easter pail. Doctor's offices, dental offices, maybe not so much the dentist office. The dental office, you don't want a bunch of candy after leaving the dental office, the dentist. So I'll set the floral foam down in there. Okay. Now I'm going to use one of the white round floral foam pieces to stick on top of my pail. The one at the bottom just kind of adds a little bit more sturdiness to the picks that we're going to stick down into the floral foam. So that's what that's in there for. So use one, save one for the next project. I have two huge totes full of supplies that I used for DIY projects in the past, and I just really need to go through them and put them like in their own separate bins, like Valentine's Day stuff, Easter, Christmas, that type of thing. So we're going to go ahead and glue the rim of the pail. And I like that this hot glue gun has a little drip pan for the hot glue. So I'm not so much worried about the glue dripping down on the inside of the pail because you're not going to see it, of course. So if you can, try to keep it more so on the inside of the rim, the top of the rim. But if it's going to drip down, try to make it go on the inside. Even though you can just peel it off, but just save yourself some time and just glue more so towards the inside of the pail. And I want to leave the handle of my pail down, and then I'll bring it up. once I get my floral foam on there. While I'm doing this part, go ahead and follow my social media platforms on TikTok and Facebook. So go ahead in the description box down below and add me, follow me on those social media platforms. I will probably be most active, honestly, I'll probably be most active on Facebook. And you just get to know me a little bit more on Facebook. Okay. So let's make sure this is how we want it. Let's adjust. Okay. And our handle is still able to go up. Now you can choose to leave your handle down or up, but I'm going to choose to put mine up. So what you do now is begin sticking your egg picks, your flowers, and your lollipops in the foam pieces. I chose to get these, I chose to get these Easter egg pops. What I don't like is that they have like the plastic that flares out around the lollipop, the sucker. And I just don't want it to look too messy, so I thought about folding them back like this. So that's an option for you. I'm not doing that because I'm not doing it right now. But that's an option for you. So I'm going to start gluing or sticking these suckers in. Now what I don't like is that I forgot to get some type of like ribbon. But like I said, I have two totes full of decor and stuff like that and supplies. So I know I got some ribbon somewhere around here. So with this part, you just kind of got to play with. So went into that next piece of floral foam. Let me be quiet so you don't can hear it. That's one. That's two. Okay. Just to secure things a little more. Now I will probably move these around some. And I don't want them all like even. I just tore my flower off the main stem and I'm going to go ahead and stick it in. Let's put this up a little bit. You know that wire piece is in there. So let's stick this in. You can cut them down if you want. You can bend back and forth. Which I'll probably... I think I will bend back and forth. Oh, that wasn't planned. Okay, let's make this work. I kind of want that greenery on there to take up some space. Now you could also have just bent the entire stem and just branched off your flowers in different directions. But I'm going to continue, of course, I have no choice now, but I'm going to continue breaking mine and sticking them, and I only have 2 more to go. But comment down below what you guys do for Easter. Do you go to church? Do you do church at home? Just listen to gospel music? Visit family members? Have things that, have people come over your house? Do you cook? What's your favorite thing to eat? I want me some macaroni and cheese, greens, sweet potatoes, marshmallows smothered on top, potato salad, ham. I want all of that. Well, girl, what is going on with this? Okay, I was about to say, no, it's still ain't coming on. Okay. Let's flip you up. There we go. All right, let's put we don't want the flowers to like be overkill. I found this cute ribbon to go around the rim of my floral foam, but guess what I forgot? I forgot to lift my handle up, so now I have to take everything out and then lift my handle up and put everything back in. One thing about Lifeasteeelle, I'm going to show you the mistakes so that you don't make the mistake or don't forget. Because we're human and it happens. This is not a perfect project. I make mistakes over here, I forget stuff just like everybody else. So now we can lift our handle and then we're going to put all of our stuff back in. And guess what? Why am I lifting the handle if I ain't put the ribbon on yet? So let's glue our ribbon and then we'll lift our handle and put this stuff back in there, okay? Use this one a little more straightened out. Alright, sweeties, here's my finished Easter Lollipop Bouquet. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to Lifeasteeelle. Let me know what y'all think. I did cover the bottom with the leaves a little more to fill it in. But lifting up the handle did help a lot. I don't know how, but it did help a lot. Subscribe and click the bell. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Share, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. The sweetest.
Honest in yourself, don't you never pretend. Beat the odds, do numbers, and remain humble.